Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at customizing TextField UI. So um, if the text field does not match your style, you can always customize it for the look that actually fits better for your apps with the combination of few more views in SwiftUI, and SwiftUI makes it really easy to accomplish. So we will create a custom text field for username, password, email, phone number, which will be like, kind of like a sign up screen for DevTech courses, fictitious DevTech courses app. And we are going to work through that and see how we can make this text field look more customized. Okay, so let me go ahead and start with a new view this time, and I'm going to create a new struct here, and let's call this text field custom UI. Okay, and this is going to be conforming to the view, and we're going to need the body property for that, and there's going to be some a few state properties that we're going to need for our sign up page. So we're going to start with state private for username. We don't have to provide the type, it's going to be inferred, and then we're gonna need password. I'm just gonna leave the password as a simple text field for now, and maybe email, and phone. All right, so these are going to be 4 properties, and then what we're going to do is we're going to build out our view. All right, so let's go ahead and build out our view. So first thing we're going to need is going to be a VStack. We're going to add an image inside this, and I will use dt dark as the image. So dt dark mode image, make it resizable, and basically give it a frame. Okay, yeah, just the okay, let's do the aspect ratio dot fit. Okay, and I will go at the top, and instead of calling example, I'm going to call text field custom UI in this. And let me go back into our view, and let's resume the preview so we can see what we are typing as it's being rendered. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's good. That's what we want to show, and then underneath we are going to create another VStack. Okay, this VStack is gonna basically have all the text fields, and we're gonna start with nh stack. So this is our customized text field. So what we want to show in this text field is basically an image, system name. We're gonna call person.circle. Okay, and we are going to set the foreground color for this to be a gray color, and change the font to be headline. Okay, and we are going to create our text field. Okay, and this text field is going to ask for username, so that's going to be the placeholder text, and for the text it's going to be bound to username. All right, so that's our custom field that we are defining, and then it's going to have another image. Actually, you know what, let's leave the image out. Let's add another image for the password field. Okay, we're going to add some padding and an overlay of rounded rectangle with corner radius of 10 points. we're gonna provide a stroke with a color of gray and line width of 1 point. And there we go, you have your custom text field created for you. Okay, and we are going to be doing similar for the other fields. So this is username, next is gonna be password. Okay, so for the password, once again, we're gonna have an h stack, image, system name, and we're gonna have lock.circle, and let's give it a foreground color to be gray, and font to be headline. Okay, and then we're gonna have our text field, which is gonna have password. Okay, and it's gonna be bound to text. I know you're not supposed to show the password, it's supposed to be basically hidden, or you can use secure field for that, but I'm just giving an example of, like, you know, how you can create more custom versions of text fields, text field views for yourself. And I'm going to just add this foreground color there, add some padding, overlay of, so I'm going to copy the overlay of rounded rectangle, and there we go. So and basically, if you want to have a little bit more padding in horizontal direction, you can have that, but, like, you know, this looks good. Yeah, so there we go. You have, like, you know, now your text field and your password field. Now this guy image right here can be a button, and you can actually have a secure field and a text field swapping back and forth. The same strategy that we used for our custom placeholder color, you can use that, you do that, and basically create a password field that will display the password when user actually taps on this button, and basically hide the password and show the password field when user has, like, you know, slash on that. Okay, so that is something that you can basically do. Okay, just to complete the example, I'm gonna basically create 2 more fields. This is gonna be, okay, so let me create one for email. So I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna say email. Okay, and let's see, email, we can have an envelope. Okay, and let's see, can have email, and this can be bound to email, like so, and we're not gonna have this guy right here. So that's your email. Okay, and for the phone, we can actually add a button. So let me add phone. Okay, and basically for the phone, we're gonna use phone symbol, phone number, like that, and phone tied to the, or bound to the phone state variable. And here we're gonna use a button. So you can use button inside and basically provide a button field, and this is just simply gonna display an image, number dot circle. Okay, and you can add a tint to the button, so you can actually customize the button further. And with that, let me go ahead and launch this and show you basically how this field looks like. So tapping on this button, you can launch your own custom keyboard or something like that, like, you know, or when user types, you can actually have them type custom like, basically just a number pad or something like that. But yeah, so there we go. Like, you have customized your view, your text field, to basically look something like this, where your user can understand a little bit better. Like I said, like, this one can be a toggleable password field, and this is your regular email, and then you have like, phone number with a button, so it can be a clear button or something like that. Okay. All right, so that's it for this video, and in this video we learned how to create a custom UI, or create a custom UI for our text field. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.